welcome back. Today we're down on the floor doing some workouts that require kneeling. So if you need to pad your space, roll up a towel or a blanket or maybe a cushion to allow you to kneel. However, you can definitely do all of these exercises standing. Definitely listen to your body. Let's get started. All right, I have a 10-pound weight and a 15-pound weight. Feel free, adjust accordingly, or just use what you have. We're gonna start out with our kneeling wood chopper. Let me get my timer started. Starting out with my 10-pound weight, I'm gonna bring what would be your left knee forward, knee over ankle, body is squared forward. Start over at the side hip of the back leg, swing it up, and then down again. And so as I'm chopping overhead, I'm squeezing my core tight. So if someone was gonna come and punch me, I would be doing all I can to really keep my core muscles super engaged. Can inhale overhead and exhale down. But no matter what you choose to do, I just want you breathing. We have about 15 counts left. You should be feeling your body getting warmer. You should be feeling your heart rate going up. Remember though, you're in control of the weight. This is not a momentum swing. We're chopping down towards the hip with that weight, just like you would an axe. Great job. All right, full front raise. Stay with the weight you have, or I'm just gonna bump it up a little bit heavier for myself. Shoulders down and back, front ribs down, glutes are underneath me, really keeping my body stable. Here we go. So option one, I'm gonna bring it up shoulder height, down slow. Option two, I'm gonna bring it up as long as I can keep my ribs from popping. So up and down slow. You're doing a great job. Up and down slow. So how far can I bring the weight up before my ribs start to pop and my core becomes unstable? This is like such a big pet peeve for me when people are teaching or doing upper body workouts and they're not cueing the core instability. This is everything here. We want that core to be nice and stable. We got 5 counts, one more here. Great job. All right, back to that kneeling wood chopper. Foot is out in front, knee is over the ankle. I'm gonna start down by the hip. Remember, we're squeezing the core nice and steady with the hips. All right, up and then down to the hip. And exhale down. Think about trying to de-accelerate that weight on the downswing because gravity just wants you to go whoosh and drop the weight down. I don't want you to do that. Might be getting that little bit of a hip flexor stretch, which is probably your signal that you need to stretch those hip flexors today as well. 15 counts. If you're starting to feel tired, just go slower. It's 45 seconds. You can do this. If your mind is saying, it's too hard, I can't, I want you to know that that's a lie. That is absolutely a lie. One more time, you got this. All right, nice job. We're gonna go into a plank now. So no weights needed. Down on your forearms, elbow to elbow. Step back with the feet, booty is down, or down on your knees, push away from the floor. So I'm squeezing my thighs together, my tailbone is tucking down, and my front hip bones are pressing up into my belly. Back body is nice and broad. Pull your shoulders back. We got 25 counts. Keep the head from sagging. Squeeze the inner thighs. If you need to, drop to the knees. 10 counts. This is not the time to give up. Here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Nice job. All right, last one, we're gonna be sitting. This is a half roll back weighted. So grab your weight if you choose, otherwise what I call genie style arms. Weight's gonna come up at the chest, tuck the tailbone under, roll yourself back, and then bring yourself back up. So that's version 1. Tuck the tailbone, roll back, try not to let the feet fling, or press that weight overhead. So down to the chest, roll back, keep it under control, and press back up, ribs down. Stay with me. This is not about going to the floor. So if in your mind you're thinking, I gotta go farther back to get a better workout, no, my friend, you need better control to get a better workout. Keep breathing. If you don't like the weight, but you want to press overhead, just press your arms overhead. You're going to still get that nice little back extension, and you are going to challenge your core. Last one. You did it. Great work. I knew you could. Remember, it's those little moves, it's those small, simple changes that lead to the big results in your life so that you, my friend, can feel good again. Until next time.